In this video, I show you how to make a YouTube rewind button. Hi, I'm AJ and you're watching Woodified. I make DIY and woodworking videos. If you'd like to learn how to do stuff yourself, please subscribe and click the bell notification button so you don't miss any of my videos. Last year, I woodified the rewind button. Yeah, that's right, you heard it. A wood rewind button. I used the wood rewind button to create a transition in my video titled Rewind Woodified. Every year since 2010, YouTube has been bringing together the top YouTube content creators and making a special end of the year video called YouTube Rewind. Check out the links to the past YouTube Rewind videos in the description below, including this year's video. If you want to support my channel, smash that thumbs up button. And if you would like to be super awesome, you can buy my wood rewind button. Check out my Etsy site. Link in the description below. We'll see you in the next video.